Hey guys, welcome to the Friendly Banters. I'm Abhishek and that's Aman right there. And we thought of creating some content based on our interest. हम दोनों का common interest है, which is basically games and politics, which will come afterwards. But for starters, we thought that why not start on a lighter note. That's cricket and दोनों का एक कॉमन इंटरेस्ट है क्रिकेट का. ऑब्वियसली हम लोग बहुत एनालाइज करते हैं गेम को एंड सही करते गलत करते हैं वो आप लोग बाद में देखिएगा. बाद में आप लोग सोचिएगा इसके बारे में. तो और आज हम लोग का पहला एपिसोड है, सो ये क्रूड होने वाला है बहुत ज्यादा. एडिटिंग की बिल्कुल भी गुंजाइश नहीं है because we thought of starting up with something about IPL because IPL is going on right now, and we wanted to cover about teams and strategies and whatnot. But what did we watch today? This this was no less than a miracle, and that's
I've never watched something like this before.
I know, right? I know. So this is something that needs to be covered. So let's start talking about uh, today's match. And if you want to pitch in, what did we see today, guys? What was that?
Rahul Tewatia, man. Rahul Tewatia is the man.
I mean, right?
So,
Huh?
so
Yeah.
वही बोल रहा था कि if you look at his first 20 balls, we were talking, right? This would be his last innings of his career.
Yeah, absolutely. So basically, when the match started, it was in Sharjah. So Aman started talking about, yeah, this is Sharjah. इसमें तो रन बनने ही है, पड़ने ही है, बहुत छक्के पड़ेंगे. एंड उसके बाद आए मयंक अग्रवाल जी. अरे क्या सुंदर शॉट्स करे. भाई. Not a slogger, beautiful shots, beautiful
And
skills, isn't it?
and if you have to give credit to Rahul also, because उसने strike rotate किया, उसने अग्रवाल को strike दिया. He told अग्रवाल कि तुम जा मार, I'll be the anchor.
Exactly. Rahul has also matured as a player and as a captain that we have seen from the last 1 year after the whole
The coffee gate, after coffee gate.
yeah, after the coffee gate. And after that, the way he has come back and the way he has poised his innings in each and every match he has played, kind of
Leading from the front.
absolutely. मतलब ऋषभ पंत को तो शायद उसके ऋषभ पंत के पेट
Rishabh Pant's career is gone. Rishabh Pant would be the new Parthiv Patel.
True. So, anyways, so the we can actually see Rahul coming up in the leadership part of the international cricket team, men's obviously, and yeah, obviously they played very well. Rahul did the anchor ka job, and uske baad Mayank was fabulous with his shots, pure skill,
Mayank was
isn't it?
no, not a single stop. Everything was from the middle and the proper cricketing shots, orthodox cricket.
Exactly. And also, what I would like to see is say is that कि पहले अगर हम लोग देखें कि राजस्थान रॉयल्स का जो bowling था, that was not up to the mark. Always like the length was varying. They were not consistent with the lengths. Everything is pulled and driven off. But the way they came back in the last 4 overs, it was actually
I
something.
would say Rajasthan.
Mhm.
I would say Rajasthan ने trick miss किया. They should have opened with Zofra Archer. I don't know why they didn't go with that.
True.
KL Rahul was in form. They should have gone with Archer.
Correct. So that was something that was unprecedented, surprising. But at the end of the innings, I think they could have gone for another 20 or 30 runs. But the crucial wickets of Mayank and Rahul at the crucial points of time in the match, मेरे को लगता है कि उनको 20 रन से शॉर्ट कर दिया था. नहीं तो 2.5
Yeah.
मेरे को दिख ही रहा.
At one point हमको लगा था they will reach 250, but credit to the bowlers. उन्होंने last 4 overs में after that break जो उन्होंने comeback किया, that was very good.
Correct. Tom Curran and Jofra Archer, I guess, जो last में bowling कर रहे थे.
हाँ, yeah.
So,
In fact, अगर it's not for that last over, I would have said कि 200 भी नहीं पहुंचते.
yeah, true. And what an exciting talent is Ravi Bishnoi. Like that man is that boy is just up to the job, man. मतलब power play.
The best part is he's under the guidance of Kumble.
True, absolutely true. And also his bowling ka style is almost like Kumble, right? He's like a not
Hmm.
spinner of the ball, but more of a flipper and jo just ball and play.
Flipper, exactly.
So absolutely correct person to guide him. But that he is just what 19, 20 years old and he is bowling in the power play.
Yeah, he's some 20.
That's absolutely amazing. So that's why that's what I was saying. He's just up to the mark, up to the challenge. It's really good to see these young talents coming in RCB, Palakkad, and then Shubman Gill,
True.
obviously Prithvi Shaw. Those two are
Prithvi Shaw.
yeah kind of stars coming up now. Ravi Bishnoi, uh, absolutely amazing finds this IPL, I would say, isn't it?
So, what do you think? Where did Punjab lost the
Sheldon Cottrell, bro.
match? Sheldon Cottrell should retire that salute forever now.
Oh, dude, what happened? What happened? Who opened the innings? It was Steven Smith and I guess
Josh Butler.
Josh Butler.
And Josh Butler. And
Yeah,
they have chased down 230 when Josh Butler hasn't scored.
true. He got out cheaply, right? Josh Butler got out cheaply, and then Steven Smith and Sanju
Just
Samson.
Sanju Samson is the real shit, bro.
या मतलब जो हम लोग को सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम था संजू सैमसन से was his consistency. We like
Consistent.
who are the junkies of this game, we never had this doubt of his talent and skills, right? But उसका सबसे बड़ा problem ही था उसका consistency. But the way he has trained in the lockdown and the way he has come back, flamboyant batting, isn't it?
Still early days, but I wish he makes this his IPL
Yeah, true,
because
absolutely.
he's too good a player to stay on the sidelines of the international team.
Absolutely. With Mahendra Singh Dhoni gone, the gloves is up.
On this is his best chance.
Yeah, the gloves is up for the grabs. There are three potential people that I'm seeing: Rishabh Pant and obviously Rahul is there, but he is not a
See, to be honest, the fight is for the second slot. Fight is for the second slot. Rahul has made his slot in the limited overs.
Yeah, so you are saying that Rahul is going to the wicket keeper for the limited overs, isn't it?
100%. 100%.
That's a debate for another day. Yeah, but then again, yeah, Sanju Samson with his batting and his clean hitting, man, he has actually done wonders. And the way he was playing with Steven Smith in the first uh, three or four overs when Steve
Yeah,
actually going. He was playing the second fiddle, right? Like rotating the
correct.
guy. Not that he was falling far behind the balls, as in he was always striking at 200. But then again, he was not getting that much strike. He wanted the strike to be with Steven Smith, and but that shows the match.
What do you have to say about Steven Smith?
That is the most fidgety cricketer I've ever seen. I do not
यार
understand.
वो इतना हिलता है कि मेरा सर दर्द हो जाता है. Imagine about the bowler.
एग्जैक्टली मतलब मेरे को समझ नहीं आता बॉलर्स कैसे वो लेंथ डिसाइड करते हैं कि यार स्टीवन स्मिथ को डालना क्या है वो कभी इधर है कभी उधर है
And what was that shot जो inside out wrist use करके खेला था over the covers?
अरे बाप रे बाप वो आदमी वो कहाँ से क्या मारता है आई डोंट नो व्हाई स्टीवन स्मिथ वाज ट्राइंग टू प्ले द रैम शॉट मतलब व्हाई when you can play so well in front of the wicket why go to the back and he can play unprecedented shots like कुछ भी खेल सकता भाई वो मतलब गजब also the
Uh,
two specific things of this innings yeah you were saying something
नहीं go ahead.
there are two specific things of this innings do you remember Puran का catch जो वो वापस किया
Oh,
बाप रे बाप
best fielding effort ever.
I have never seen a better fielding effort than that. The one that I saw was Sanju Samson doing a similar kind of thing in the T20, one of the T20 matches where he caught the ball was going outside and then threw the ball inside. One of the matches, it was kind of the same thing, but this was
Yeah, I think so.
yeah, this was just
Nothing
out of
like
the
this.
world.
Nothing like this.
Yeah, and Jimmy Nisham.
This was too far away. See, I'm telling you, there is one problem. The biggest problem with Punjab is that they lack a fast bowling option.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. They do not have a genuine fast bowler
Uh,
after Shami, I guess.
I want to see Ishan Porel in the team. I don't know why he's not playing, but I want to
Ah,
see Ishan Porel in that.
yeah,
So
absolutely.
that guy has an average of 20 in his list A career, in his 2020 career, in his first class career, everywhere, with a decent strike rate. I want to see him in the team. He's genuinely fast.
Yeah, I guess Rahul will look at his options now from the bowling perspective per se.
बट पॉइंट वही है ना कि किसको ड्रॉप करोगे, आपके दोनों स्पिनर्स बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं.
हाँ, that's true. आपके स्पिनर्स कौन है? एक है आपका मुरुगन अश्विन और एक आपका रवि बिश्नोई. So I guess Murugan Ashwin is dispensable. या फिर Bishnoi is dispensable because he is a younger talent, I guess.
या मे बी ड्रॉप जिमी निशम एंड ड्रॉप शेल्डन कॉट्रेल, bring in Ishan Porel, and drop Karun Nair and bring in Chris Gale.
Karun Nair. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, Karun Nair can actually make space for Chris Gale at this point of time. But again, Sheldon.
But I don't think Chris Gale will play down the order, right? You will not change Mayank Agarwal and Rahul as their opener.
That's true. That's true. But then again, where will you play Chris Gale? He has to be there at the top. Maybe Mayank Agarwal can come at 3 because he is a guy who can fit into different roles in the team. But
once you are playing in that kind of a form, you don't want to change that.
Absolutely. With the form they are going on, I don't think so. They have to change. They should change the top 3. In fact, like the top 2. Obviously, third has to be changed because it is quite floating. Maybe sometimes Karun Nair comes, sometimes Glenn Maxwell. So make a better stable number 3. That's what I feel at this point of time. Maybe let's see future again. But then again, let's talk about man of the hour.
Mr. Tewatia, Sir Tewatia.
Mr. Tewatia, bro.
But do you think it was the right decision to send Tewatia at number 4?
Absolutely.
I still doubt that.
Like this was a point of discussion we were discussing at that point of time. Like, why not send a genuine batsman when you have a Uthappa in your team? And why send Tewatia? I do understand yet you have seen
Because
the nets. Yeah. What?
so if you see in the hindsight, it's okay. But there was a point, agar Tewatia out ho gaya hota, then match was done.
That's true, right? He had eaten up about what an over or so, over 9 balls, and those balls are not coming back, right? As one of the
And Sanju Samson lost his wicket because Tewatia was not scored.
absolutely he came in tremendous pressure because there was no runs scored from other side of the pitch. So obviously the person who is hitting has to come into a lot of pressure. And also, those are 9 genuine balls that are not coming back, right? You can obviously hit and increase the strike rate, as one of the commentators rightly said. But those balls are indispensable. They are not coming back. So obviously, if uh, Uthappa would have come back, say if Tewatia was about 15 out of 21 balls, right, or 22 balls, right, and if Uthappa would have come, I would say that even if he wouldn't have hit 4s and boundary 6s, मतलब एक रन बॉल तो हो ही सकता था, राइट? तो वो 7 बॉल तो एकदम लौट नहीं आता. बट यार लाइक फ्रॉम अरे ये क्या कर रहा है, ये कौन है भाई, ये क्या कौन सा गोला का आदमी है, कहाँ से आया है, किससे छुआ,
बहुत गाली दी है उसको.
ये क्या कर रहा है.
Tewatia saved his contract.
So basically the knock that was going to be the career ending knock made it to a knock that would be a career defining knock. Man, the way the things turned, I guess Maxwell's over was the turning point of the whole match, I guess. When Tewatia actually got a hit, out of Maxwell's over, I guess, or Bishnu's over. One of the spinners, basically, they were disposed him of the long in the straight area, and then Quattrell came in, and then
then the rest is
happened. What happened was a massacre. Like,
did you see Yuvraj's tweet?
No, I didn't. What did he say?
Yuvraj bola, thank you for missing a single ball.
Oh, bhai. That was something, yeah. That was something. Actually, like I was reading this interview, post-match interview of Steven Smith. He was saying that we sent in Tevatia because we had seen him in the nets hitting the ball clean, and he was.
No,
He's
ये
saying,
सब excuse है. I would not agree to that. अगर आपको भेजना था तो आप आर्चर को भेजते.
exactly, because उससे पहले वाला मैच में आर्चर played what 24 ball 24 runs or 22 runs in 8 balls.
Archer has constantly played such innings.
Yeah, exactly, and he has got that hitting capability, and you have got more confidence in an Archer more than a Tewatia. But again, a team management pair, maybe they have seen something.
But I would still say Uthappa was the perfect number for. Uthappa cannot
Absolutely
bat below 4.
correct, and he is a genuine batsman, isn't it? He knows the game. He's an experienced campaigner. He has been there for a quite long time, so he knows how
और
to.
अगर आपको उथप्पा को टॉप 4 में नहीं खिलाना देन इसको जगह नहीं बनता है टीम
जगह
में.
नहीं बनता correct that's absolutely true and just point पे match poised था with Steven Smith gone and Sanju Samson still there 132 130 odd runs in the on the board. Uthappa would have been the perfect player to be there to anchor the innings or to accelerate the innings, anything that man can play, right? But the middle portion of the match and the match was like properly dead कि अब तो तेवतिया को लाते
There was no chance.
वो
We were saying कि विराट कोहली captain of Tewatia then.
भाई अगर विराट कोहली सच में तेवतिया का कैप्टन होता बाहर से बम्बू लाके तेवतिया को ग्राउंड पे दौड़ा दौड़ा के चेस करता. Anyways,
Did you see Samson refused a single? मतलब such was the confidence he generated.
true, it was like Tewatia was an Ishant Sharma and Samson was Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who is
Dhoni.
you know
So
telling Tewatia no, not a single for you, bro.
what do you have to say about Punjab's loss? Last match they lost. They didn't score 1 run in last 3 balls. Today they gave away more than 90 runs in the last 5 overs. So
See
both
about
matches that they should have won, they lost.
yeah, so basically what happened in the Delhi Capitals and Punjab's match was like what I felt was, and also this was a common feeling between among us, was that both teams were playing to lose the match. That's what I felt.
Yeah,
Right. It was bloody one run I guess from 3 balls, and like you just
3
could
balls.
yeah.
And Mayank Agarwal was playing on 90.
Mayank Agar was there in 90, but then again they matured.
He went for the glory shot.
Yeah, and there was no need to do that. Sunil Gavaskar was commentating in and he was saying there's no need for the glory shot, right? Yeah. Then again,
There was just one fielder in the boundary. It was
and
just
what are
one
the
fielder on the boundary.
chances? What are the chances? Just down his throat. So again, this is a lack of maturity, I would say, and this match also, I would say, this was a lack of maturity or lack of experience to close down a match, because the way you have played the whole match up approximately to 16th over, you are pretty much in control of the match. You just had to give what 10 runs or 11 runs per over. You just didn't have to go 30 runs for an over, right? That was the third. Just 2 less sixes and you would be there in the game, right? And you would have won the game completely.
Plus, this is not how you ball in the death overs. Shami and Cottrell both.
Yeah, true.
Shami is so good with his Yorkers, but
Exactly.
not a single Yorker.
That was clearly showing that the pressure was getting into them. With 5 6s gone, it's okay. There are 5 6s gone, but you still have 26 or 27 runs in the board to save. Go for the traditional orthodox method. Pressure got to that.
Rajasthan is the team to watch, man. Rajasthan is the team to watch.
That's true, man. It has got some exciting talent. With I guess Yashasvi Jaiswal is also there in Rajasthan, right?
Yashasvi, the problem is that Yashasvi cannot bat down the order. He has to bat in the top 3.
And with Butler in the
equation.
Yeah, with Butler in the equation, it becomes quite difficult.
Point is, I was not expecting Smith to open the innings. I thought Jaiswal and Butler would open, but Smith
है भाई. और क्या बोलते हैं ये प्रियम गर्ग is also an exciting talent. Let's see. उसको भी
Priyam Garg is a very good talent, but to be honest, Jaiswal is a better player than Garg. But again, Garg can bat down the order. Jaiswal cannot bat down the order.
True. But why? But both are very new to the whole equation of international cricket or cricket in this level uh, on a whole. So experimentations are meant for these guys. So let's see. Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
But this match has actually blasted my mind. Like, मतलब कुछ भी हो.
As Ravi Shastri would say, at the end of the day, cricket was the real winner.
Absolutely, cricket was a real winner, and also there was this post-match presentation where they were talking to Rahul, and they said that you have been playing so well, got a century and got a half century here, and scored about 223 runs, 24 runs in this match, and still you lose this match. So this was one statement that Rahul said that that's how the game keeps you humble. So that actually got onto my mind. So yeah, actually, cricket was the winner, and what a match! Beautiful match.
Absolutely.
Right. So I guess we'll stop this discussion here today about this match
Yes.
because this was something which was very difficult,
The discussion will go on for a long time.
long time, and that
For
will
the sake
be
of this video, let us stop it right now.
exactly. And we'll try to get in more people, more enthusiasts like us, both in maybe
True.
politics in future, and we'll discuss the minute aspects of the game, the major aspects of the game, and what we feel, what you feel. And please do comment on our videos because we would like interactions, because these are the topics which will keep us connected in this lockdown and this difficult situation, and this will help us to connect with each other, and why not we'll like more interactions, so keep safe. Aman, you want to say something?
This is just the first video, so वीडियो के क्वालिटी पे ध्यान मत दो यार, कंटेंट पे ध्यान दो.
करेक्ट. हम लोग जरूर ट्राई करेंगे कि अच्छा वीडियो एडिटर यूज करें बनाए बढ़िया.
with new topics, with different topics, with different people.
Actually, right. So हम लोग का main agenda ही है कि we will make videos with more facts and figures, less of biasness,
Well researched facts.
So keep watching, and जैसे कि traditional like share
The
subscribe.
live.
Okay, guys. Meet you in the next video, and bye bye. Good night. Stay safe.
Sure. Bye bye. Good night.